Hello, we continue to create a single page application on VueJS. We need an API. In this video we will create a simple API using nodeJS. Let's create a server folder in the root of the project. In this folder we will create a file with the name server.js. We need the HTTP library, an array to store data objects. Each object will have a unique ID. The API will implement basic operations to get, to add, to delete, and to update. The event handler will get the required action and the parameters from the request. The web server will listen on port 8081. The getter will filter the list of objects. Return only those objects whose parameters match the query parameters. The delete method will remove the object by ID. The object itself and all its links will be filtered out from the list. The add method will just push the object with a new ID to the list. In the update method, we need to find the object by ID, then update its properties according to the request parameters. In the request listener, we need to allow requests from other locations. We need to add a request handler. In this handler, the required action will be executed with the parameters from the request. The result of the action will be returned as the answer to the request. Let's check out the API. Open the server folder, type node server.js. The API server is running. Let's run a test query. The request was successful. The response was received. Thank you for watching to the end. In the next video we will continue to create the VueJS application.